I'm going to unbox Sonoff basic Wi-Fi smart switch which I bought from Amazon for my IoT project. So this smart switch has remote control, timing schedules, share control and smart scene. So this support Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So you can see it support power supply 90 to 250 volt, current 10 ampere and Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi frequency 2.4. So let me unbox it. So these are the screws. So it comes with 4 screws, then user manual, and this is the switch. So this package has user manual, 4 screws and Sonoff Wi-Fi switch. So you can see input and output. In input you can give AC power, and in the output you can connect the device which you want to control. And this button, we can use this button to enable pairing mode. And it has one LED indicator. So here we can connect AC power. So this is the input. So when you connect input, you should note this neutral and active line, or neutral or live line, so that is important. And the output side also, that neutral and live line is important. So in the output section you can connect the device which you want to control. So I will show you how we can test the Sonoff Wi-Fi switch. So when you buy this switch from Amazon, you have to test it. So for that, go to your mobile and enable Wi-Fi. Then you have to press this button in the Sonoff switch and activate the pairing mode. You have to press and hold for 5 seconds. So when this Wi-Fi switch in pairing mode, it will broadcast SSID. So in some Wi-Fi switch, you have to press and hold 2 times. So in this Wi-Fi switch which I am using, I have to press and hold 2 times. So now you can see the SSID in your mobile phone. So this way we can test your Sonoff Wi-Fi switch and make sure that it's working. So when you buy from Amazon or any online shop, you have to test it. So there will be a 10 days replacement. So before that 10 days replacement period, we need to test it. So in that case we can test it like this. Just activate the Wi-Fi in your mobile, then may put the Sonoff Wi-Fi switch in pairing mode and check whether this SSID is coming or not. So please subscribe my channel, please like and share.